everyone! Welcome back to Study with Teacher Camille. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to say what you don't do using the present simple. Easy to follow with fun examples and a little practice too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for new lessons every Wednesday and Friday. Now let's learn what is present simple. The present simple talks about things we do often or every day. But what if we want to say we don't do something? That's what we're learning today. So, as you can see, we have here examples of present simple positive. I eat rice every day. She plays the guitar. These are examples of positive. Now, let's take a look at the negative form. So, for the negative form rules, look at your subject. So to make a sentence negative, we add don't or doesn't before the verb. Now, use don't with your subject I, you, we, they. Example, I don't like fish. So this is how we do it. I plus don't plus the base verb. Or you plus don't plus the base verb. Or we plus don't plus the base verb. Or they plus don't plus the base verb. Use doesn't with he, she, it. Example, he plus doesn't plus the base verb. Or she plus doesn't plus the base verb. Or it plus doesn't plus the base verb. Example, she doesn't like rain. Okay, remember, the verb stays the same. No S at the end, okay? So let's take a look at examples with don't. I don't eat meat. We don't go to school on Sundays. They don't play football. Now let's use doesn't. She doesn't like chocolate. He doesn't watch TV. It doesn't bark at night. Practice time. Okay, so look at this. Can you fill in the blanks? Use don't or doesn't. Again, use don't or doesn't. So pause the video and try it yourself. Then play to check your answers, okay? Now let's talk. Let's practice speaking. Say these examples or say these sentences out loud. I don't eat vegetables. He doesn't watch TV. They don't read books. She doesn't sleep late. Now, can you make your own sentence? Comment below. Okay? Let's review. So here's the quick review. To say something is not true or not a habit, we use don't or doesn't plus the base verb. No S after the verb. Okay? So that's a great job for today. So thanks for watching. If this lesson helped you, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Study with Teacher Camille. New videos every Wednesday and Friday. Learn English the fun way. So comment your sentence using don't or doesn't. I'll read and reply. See you in the next lesson.